Meet the Kitschy Pizza Cutter Wheel, the pizza slicer that revolutionized the way we cut our pizza. It has a sharp blade that ensures clean slices, even for the crispiest pizzas. Its integrated, comfortable non-slip handle fits right into the palm of your hand. Unlike traditional pizza cutters, it doesn't let grease or toppings get in the way of the perfect cut. It has a brilliant design that protects your hands from cuts and allows to safely store it when you're done. Now that's a rocker! Did I mention it's really handy? The sleek design allows you to firmly grip and slice with ease. The coolest thing about it is that it cuts more than just pizza. You can use it for greens, pita, herbs, pasta, pizza, veggies, onions.
What?
Have it your way with the Kitschy Pizza Cutter. Plus, it's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Thoughtfully engineered from the blade to its handle, this little pizza cutter covers all the bases, and we will outslice and outlast cheaper models. Cut pizza like a pro with the Kitschy Pizza Cutter Wheel.
Meet the Ninja Air Fryer, a fast and easy way to cook your favorite foods. It ensures even circulation of hot air around your food for quick, crispy, and golden finishes every time. The secret is the combination of a wide temperature range while powering the fan that automatically adjusts speeds for your temperature setting. This allows you to cook and crisp your favorite foods, like 2 pounds of French fries using little to no oil in a family-sized 4-quart ceramic-coated basket. The wide temperature range gives you the ability to roast, bake, air fry, reheat, or dehydrate foods, making it your new go-to appliance for any meal or snack. With the Ninja Air Fryer on your countertop, you can pull crispy meals out of thin air.
From the makers of the original Magic Bullet, introducing the NutriBullet, the superfood nutrition extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can turn ordinary food into superfood. Watch. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the extractor blade, pop it onto the power base, and watch how the NutriBullet blasts ordinary foods into superfoods in an instant. Then just separate, give it a quick rinse, and you're ready to go again in seconds.
It emulsifies fruits and vegetables so well that I feel them go right into my system. I feel those ingredients immediately.
I am thrilled to death by the change in my health and how I feel. It's the combination of the fruits, the vegetables, and all the vitamins that are all being emulsified together. It works.
NutriBullet is different because it extracts all the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables and nuts. And I think everybody should do it because you just feel great.
The NutriBullet system is built to last, made from quality construction, and is protected by a full 1-year warranty.
Looking for an easy, more economical, and faster way of preserving your fresh food or ingredients? If yes, no worries. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer is perfect for you. Introducing the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, an innovative solution to food preservation. Designed with a fully automatic simple electric plug with its control center placed on the top panel and soft touch digital buttons along the LED indicator lights. Specifically designed to provide the best of sealing possible based on the type of food you want to seal. You can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered, or steamed food. For the best of perfect sealing, all you need to do is enclose your food material you want to seal. Place it carefully in the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer, press firmly to join the 2 edges together. Press the Vacuum Seal button and wait for a couple of minutes to get sealed. The NutriChef Vacuum Sealer has been laboratory tested and proven to preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies and other containers. No better way of preserving your food other than the NutriChef Vacuum Sealer. Order for your NutriChef Vacuum Sealer today at an affordable price.
Maybe you're the type to hit 5,000 steps before 8 a.m. Or you rarely miss a week of meal prep. Either way, what do you have that diligently counts your calories or adds up your proteins? Try this, the E-Tech City Smart Nutrition Scale. Every measurement reads loud and clear on the LCD screen. Making room for the next weigh-in? Wipe your stainless steel slate clean. It's easy to see why this smart scale has gotten some industry love. Though it's a smart scale, it's totally functional on its own. So go ahead and weigh items, change units, and tear measurements. But when you hook it up to the free VSync app, that's when you get those extra smarts. Cumin, carbs, a handful of kale. Have at it. It's all in the USDA database for over 8,000 items. Set daily nutrition goals, whether you're going for 2,500 calories a day or half of that. Ditch the pen and paper. Let VSync's diary feature track all your eats. From breakfast to lunch to dinner to all the snacks you're honest enough to record. VSync is the genius behind it all. It's completely free and compatible with iOS and Android. Not to mention, it supports many other smart offerings. For example, want detailed measurements for your body too? Step onto an E-Tech City Smart Fitness Scale. 13 body calculations give you a comprehensive analysis. It's good for unlimited users, and it works with any Fitbit, Apple Health, and Google Fit tag-alongs as well. So whether it's 10,000 steps, 1,200 calories, or just an extra eye on what you're eating, we know you're in pursuit of the best. We are too. E-Tech City, powered by VSync.
Introducing the Kaizen Instapen thermometer, an ultra-fast thermometer that takes temperatures in as little as 2 to 3 seconds. Being fully waterproof, washing is a breeze. And with larger and bright LCD screen, it's great for nighttime barbecues. The thermometer features a built-in voice speaker so you can get an audio readout even when visibility is low.
133.5 degrees Fahrenheit.
And a battery-saving auto-off function after 10 minutes. With the calibration function, accuracy can be ensured. Follow local or international recipes easily by toggling temperatures to Fahrenheit or Celsius. A retractable probe makes it easy to store. Or simply hang it up with a built-in magnet. Cook like a pro every time with the Kaizen Instapen.